Hey guys, all content discussed in this channel is due diligence gathered with aim at better understanding the nature of the current market in anticipation of the greatest squeeze in financial history. Let's dive in. This week seems to lack any big catalyst for the market, so I don't expect strong price volatility as we have seen in previous weeks. Let's go over what to expect for each day of the week. On Monday, we will have earning reports from Mitsubishi, Tencent and Ryanair. On Tuesday, we have earning reports from Walmart, Home Depot and Baidu along with data showing US retail sales and industrial production. We will also get important housing market details. On Wednesday, we will have earnings for Lowe's, Target and Cisco along with US housing starts and building permits, the United Kingdom's Consumer and Price Index. Canada and the Eurozone Consumer Price Index are set to release. On Thursday, we will have earnings for Ross and Kohl's as well as the US existing home sales. Lastly, on Friday, we will have earning reports for Deere and Foot Locker as well as get Germany's Producer Price Index and UK retail sales. I think this week could be very inconsequential unless anything drastic happens, and it is important that you keep this in mind. Unless you have been living under a rock, you should already know that Finland and Sweden announced their plans to apply for NATO membership, setting aside decades of neutrality. Russia is reportedly furious that Finland is joining NATO, so who knows what they might do. I have seen some people become very bullish all of a sudden and began calling for a rally. I urge you guys to be careful. The dip is not priced in, nor are any of the changes happening. The global stock slump is definitely far from over, so don't go YOLO on calls or stocks because there is much more room to retrace than upside at the moment. However, there is ample room to believe that we could see a bounce this week in the stock market in general. I am just trying to caution you not to believe all bad things are over. Remember that a month ago we were rallying up before the market plummeted. We talked about it for months, how the stock market was being pumped to catch investors buying before big money sold off, which is exactly what happened. I believe there is much more room to visit new lows, so though I am buying, I am doing so carefully. Keep these things in mind as we go forth. I apologize for not making a video on Friday. I was attending some personal compromises, but nothing urgently important happened. Good news is that AMC is killing it at the box office as Doctor Strange 2 passed the $700 million mark recently, which means the movie will definitely pass over $1 billion at the box office. So much for the theaters are dead narrative these financial media companies push for. With these things said, I wish you all a fantastic rest of your weekend. I shall see you tomorrow on the next video. Come join my Discord, link is in the video description. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep on buying the dip and to the moon.